Everybody should share. My kids also will be there, your kids also will be there. Okay, what to teach, how to make them creative. Definitely Rajdeep also knows lot of techniques. My techniques little, Rajdeep's techniques little. That will be your center. In some other center, my technique and somebody's technique also will be there. After 1 month, we will share all the techniques. Arthamainda, Rajdeep, that's the idea. So that many ideas will come. If I tell, oh, this is how it should be run, itla cheyalani chepte mee ade cheste improvement ఉండదు. Improvement ఉంటంటే ఇది you should share. Gundur మీ సెంటర్ లో సెపరేట్, నా సెంటర్ సెపరేట్. ఈచ్ హౌస్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ కదా. ఈచ్ కల్చర్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. ఈచ్ స్టైల్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. మీ లాంగ్వేజ్ వేరే, మీ కథ వేరే, మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వేరే. Some common slokas I can teach, or I can tell you these sloka chusko. Then I can have a class live. Maybe some other place what we have live, we will share it. That also we can share. So we will create lot of such classes. Understood? So what we need is a small hall, a TV, internet connection, maybe some nice items to play. Grade 3 to age 3. Age 3, age 4, age 5, age 6, 7, 8, 9. Even 2 years also fine. So all that together we want 20 children. That's it. So that will become one center. Andaru kalsi okay classroom lo everything they will learn. Only activity vechinappudu koncham teda undi. Chinna pillaలకు ಬೇರೆ activity, maybe elders will have different activity. Activity elaga undochu. Maybe I will give some papers, newspaper, or maybe calendars. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర కూడా క్యాలెండర్ ఉంది, పాత క్యాలెండర్. ఆ క్యాలెండర్లో ఏముంది? మై రైటింగ్ ప్యాడ్. ఇది పాత క్యాలెండర్. ఇదన్నీ వివేకానంద పిక్చర్స్. అర్థమైందా? సో old board I am using it as writing pad. When I am looking at a Vivekananda picture, cut chesi, paste chesi, idanni activities kada. So everybody will create such lot of activities. If they make it in the house, central cheste, they will go back home. In house also they will make something new. Understood? And that they will bring it tomorrow. We will show them how to make flowers, some craft activity, some fun. Maybe senior 6th, maybe 7th, 8th, 9th age valku, we will give them newspaper cut chesi anni all the politicians oka file lo petali, all the cinema star vera file. Then what are they learning? Recognizing names. They will read, oh, chief minister. Understood? Then young children will go and participate. No, anna idu kuda cut chesi petante. Then they will say, hey, idu politician kaadu, idu football player andi. So they will learn. Arthamainda? And then after all the file is over, maybe 20 pictures they got. Then assignment ఎలా ఉండాలి? Put all that file in the alphabetic order. Any names choosy. Then these young children also will participate. Oh, Lakshmi L, Rajdeep R. L first రావాలి, R next రాయాలి. So they are not writing and reading. This is play. With the play they will learn. There are so many ideas like this. That's how they will learn. Any item is a learning. Any item is a learning. Yeah.
Earlier, my brother asked me one doubt. Like how to analyze all this thing. Because I
So
generally these people
One question, when are we starting? Ippudu February, March lo. February, March, is there any program for these children? Em ledu kada. Ippudu prastutam schools ledu, online class ledu, entry ledu, admission ledu, em ledu. And who are we taking? We are taking parents, teachers, not children alone. We are taking the parents, grandparents, teachers, students, mentors, andaru kalisi chestunnaru. Okay, what you can easily do is, you can register it as an institution tomorrow, society tomorrow, then we can register it as a school. Who's stopping? Meeku ade kavali kada, ante kada. That's it. That's very simple. Because there is no school for age 3. Nursery, LKG, UKG, even somebody is giving CBSE school certificate, CBSE is giving. CBSE ante enti? Central Board of Secondary Education. Secondary education eppudu start cheyali? 9th class. So every certificate given by every school is bogus. Because they don't have a certification. Certification eppudu untundi? 9th class tarvata certification. Up to 9th class, anybody can join any school based on the range. And then we can do it. Certification is no problem. I am saying, when you start this, immediately neighboring schools will come to you. మీ పిల్లలు కూడా నాకు ఇచ్చేయండి 4th తర్వాత. ఓకే, 4th తర్వాత ఇస్తున్నారు, but you give a certificate studied in their class, they will come. That's not a big problem. Certification is not a problem, but they have nothing to do. That is why we want to start now. If you delay June, nobody will come. March, April, ఇప్పుడే ఫిబ్రవరి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఫిబ్రవరి, మార్చి, ఏప్రిల్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. First you should get convinced. You should get convinced. Yeah, I will do it. Then the rest of the people will come in line. And you can collect money. You can collect. See, you should have everybody who is, you keep a register. So and so parent is spending 3 hours service. Reduce that much in the fees. Somebody is spending 8 hours. Then give them free. Their children are free. But there are some parents, they cannot spend full time, and everybody is spending 8 hours full free. That's your community. That is your business. So some people will not have time, so they will have to share somebody's expenditure on them. All that, how to run economically, how to make this facility. You have to make a facility for which you have to give a kirai wali, you have to buy some TV, danku double untali, maybe you have to rearrange it, you need some money. All that you have to collect individually. It's up to you. The model is yours. From our side, all the training, how to run it, how to make it, all that we will give. No issue. And no return fees, nothing is to be there. Even if you don't put our name also, no problem. Grandma Shiksha Child Care, adu kuda avasaram ledu. Me emo pettandi, no problem. Nee ishtam. We want some benefit for children, ante. Vera em ledu. చెప్పండి, చెప్పు. No. No, every day I spend with many people like this. One to one, many people. అడగచ్చు. No problem. Okay. Hmm. నా నా ఫుల్ టైం పని ఇది కాదు. ఈ రోజు హాఫ్ డే పొద్దున్న లెక్చర్ ఎస్ఆర్ యూనివర్సిటీ వారంగల్ టీచర్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ టీచర్స్ కు ఐ గేవ్ డిజైన్ థింకింగ్ కొత్త న్యూ ఐడియా. ఓకే, సో ఎవ్రీ డే వన్ ఆర్ అదర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటుంది అంతే. ఎస్టర్డే ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఫుల్ డే హాఫ్ డే గ్రాండ్మా చైల్డ్ కేర్ సెంటర్. ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఢిల్లీ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఢిల్లీలో 100 స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్ లెక్చర్ వాట్ హౌ టు సే నో, ఎట్లా నో చెప్పాలి. దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఫేస్బుక్. I will send you the link, Rajdeep. You can see that link in. And day for yesterday it was Lady Sri Ram College. Lady Sri Ram College Delhi ante India's best college. The best college. Admission దొరకాలంటే చాలా కష్టం. ఈ +1 +2 ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో 100 out of 100 వస్తే అక్కడ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు అంతే. 99 ఉంది, అప్లికేషన్ is out. My children are there. When they were young, 8th class, 9th class, I taught them. Taught ante maybe somewhere some guest lecture, then they follow me, they come to my house, stay with me with the camp. Generally camps undundi. When camps are there, children will enjoy. 100%. మీ కమిషనర్ కూడా చెప్పండి ఇట్లా ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంది చేయొచ్చు కదా. హీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ అరౌండ్, వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎ డిస్కషన్, 1-to-1 డిస్కషన్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు కదా. గుంటూరు కదా, యూ కెన్ ఆ గ్రూప్ లో కూడా మీరు చెప్తే గుంటూరు వీఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ సో అండ్ సో ప్లేస్ అంటే దెన్ ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ విల్ ఆల్సో విల్ యాడ్. You just send me, I'll send a message and find out all the Gundur people, we will collect and make a group. Kalsi cheyochu kada. Maybe your neighbor is also talking, we don't know. Digital world ante ante kada. We don't know who is meeting for. Kalsi kuda cheyochu. Good. షూర్. నా పాత ఒక వీడియో ఉంది, చిన్న ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్స్ అన్ని కలిపి ఒక వీడియో పెట్టినా నేను. కేరళలో ఎట్లా చేసింది అది తెలిసిపోతే మీకు బాగుంటుంది కదా. ఆ టీవీలో డిస్ప్లే వస్తుంది. ఎట్లా డిస్ప్లే వస్తుంది? దర్ ఇస్ ఏ కెమెరా విచ్ విల్ రికార్డ్ ద హోల్ థింగ్ అండ్ దెన్ డిస్ప్లే ఇట్. ఇఫ్ సమ్ కిడ్స్ ఆర్ క్రైయింగ్ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ దట్ విల్ సీ ఇన్ ద టీవీ. If they see it crying, they will stop. That's all tricks. And every children like to jump. So kinda aim bare aim ledu, furnitures aim ledu. Even teachers, students, parents, everybody has to sit on the ground. Ground lo em undali, cushions undali. ఆ cushions ఉంటే that too rugged, ఈజీగా వాష్ చేయొచ్చు. అది డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ గా ఉండాలి, గ్రీన్, వైట్, బ్లూ, కలర్ఫుల్ గా. It will become beautiful to see. These are all some small tricks. Aim painting aim oddu. Maybe we can have a flux, cartoon pictures undochu that can be put as flux in the wall. పాత ఇండ్లు కూడా మీరు ఏమి మోడిఫికేషన్ చేయకపోతే కూడా ఇట్లా చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. That's how we did. One video is there in my own grandma last చూస్తే, maybe that may be the first one. Or you can ask me. Yeah, she said hi. Her English also will improve. Yeah, good. భోజనం అయిపోయిందా? భోజనం అయిపోయిందా? Now it is 8 o'clock. I came to Guntur Vignan University. Earlier I used to come to national colleges, MBA. Oh. I used to come to Vijayawada, Guntur, Tenali, all these places. Okay, that is in between Guntur and Vijayawada. Okay, there is a place where they make some nice dolls, and then that thing, no, that softwood dolls. That's also somewhere on the road only. Ah, yeah, there also I went. You must be happy you have a great son like Rajdeep. Wonderful. You see, see the spark. ఇప్పుడు now you got a good link. That wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Nice platform. Miru anni there are some slokas which has put Subhashitam. Maybe 30, 40, hundreds may be there. Now book kuda undi Nitya Sloka. There are 100 slokas. If that can be taught to children, ayipindi. Maybe 3 months you can teach that to children. We can have sample to show. This is our children. I am sure most of the people, many people will come. That's what I am saying. Not the children alone. Their parents also have to learn. And they will see that, yeah, that is why that we want parents, grandmothers, children, mentors, youth, everybody can sit, and then we will have a Google Meet. We will teach everybody at a stretch. Okay. Oh, good. Wonderful. We will come maybe after COVID. Sure. Earlier I used to keep. Come on, I'll give you grapes. Come on, pick up. This go. He is showing hands. We are going to have 27, 28, 2 full days, half day, 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock at Kakatiya Nagar, AS Rao Nagar Diggarani. ఆ రోజు మీటింగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక డాన్స్ టీచర్, మ్యూజిక్ టీచర్ వచ్చింది కదా లేడీ. నెక్స్ట్ neighboring there is a school, Kerala school, in which I was also a member long back when we collected as a trust we started, but I don't work with any institution. So I just gave some, and then I did not went even for a meeting. But all of them are running it. It's a beautiful school. There are some 1,200, 1,300 children. They are calling their LKG, neighboring, grandparents, parents, teachers, andaru kalsi, maybe to 27th and 28th, 2 days half day training program. That's good enough. We can have maybe anyway I'll record it, if not live probably later we will post it on YouTube కదా. ఇది కూడా రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు. This discussion also I'm recording. మీకు తెలుసు కదా అన్ని డిస్కషన్స్ రికార్డింగ్ అయిపోతుంది. Whether I post it or not, that's a different matter. Sure. No, but you don't have to wait for that. What I'm saying is make the group. Even before that we could start and then have the dialogue. But almost every day, I think 24th I have program, 25th I have, almost every day ఏమో ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది. Unless we share. No, did I send you the documents? Some small 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. Pampaleda? I'll send you that. There are some small documents. Full details ledu, but some point wise untundi. Now you can read it and understand. I'll send it. Somebody wanted to know who is this person. So I asked somebody else to prepare. And I prepare chesi ichina. That also I'll send. Okay. Sure. 27 and 28. Yeah, sure. If ఎప్పుడు కావాలో అప్పుడు ఒక మెసేజ్ పంపిస్తే we will meet, no problem, no issue at all. That's natural. These are all test process. We become stronger when there are problems. Ante kada. It will happen, don't worry. Good. Good. Okay, ma. Thank you. Good, nice. Thank you.